So today, let's talk about this trailer jack. Now, it does say boat trailer jack, but I'm going to be modifying it to my utility trailer that I do not have a front jack for. As you can see, it's propped up by a board for a very long time, so I am excited to get this installed for you today. The nice thing about this jack, it's heavy duty and could hold up to 8,000 pounds, way more than my utility trailer would need to haul. But I wanted to show you that it could be put on a boat trailer, it could be attached to a enclosed trailer, or even a camper. So really easy setup. I'm going to unbox it, show you what the components are inside the box, and then install it on my utility trailer so you can check it out for yourself. Let's begin. So here's everything inside the box. You have your user manual, you got the nuts and bolts to put it together, and of course the unit itself. The unit is heavy duty. It's got some weight to it. It has an adjustable leg, so you can pull this pin out and then lift it up to whatever height you need it at and lock it into place. And of course, then adjust it down a couple inches so that way you could get it off of the ball. Now, we're gonna put it back down to its normal height. And get this installed. What this is going to be replacing is me using a piece of wood just to prop it up in my backyard. So realistically, not safe at all. Once I'm done with this, I'm not going to have any issues getting this trailer off of my truck. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to install this aluminum square tube jack on a utility trailer. It could also be installed on a boat trailer or even a camper trailer. All you use is 4 bolts, 4 nuts, and then you're able to secure it onto the tube frame. Now you could insecure it on the side, middle, or opposite side, doesn't matter, wherever you feel comfortable about installing this jack. It's very versatile. It also allows you to install on different tube sizes, just in case if you have a thicker frame, you'd still be able to install this jack. Now the rubber handle is nice, very comfortable to use, and you could just see how smooth it is to go up and down. And then when you get it to your desired height, all you need to do, pull the pin and then lift up, and then now you're ready to go. Overall, this is a high quality product, and I do recommend it for anybody looking for a tube jack to install on their trailer. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of this product. Go out, grab yours today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.